here, my name is Wanda Shavika binti Born Mamar Azali with number matric S66763.
My name is Nayumni Nabila binti Abdul Rashid. My matric number is S68362.
My name is Teo Yusian. Matrix number is S66568.
My name is Nur Vanessa Camilia binti Kamel. Matric number S65617.
Vector is an item with both magnitude and direction. A vector can be visualized geometrically as a directed line segment with an arrow pointing in the direction and a length equal to the magnitude of the vector. The vector points in a direction from its tail to its head. If A is the vector with the components x, y, z, then the magnitude of vector A is found using the formula modulus of A equal to square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. So the question of vector is: a girl walks 4 kilometers west, then 3 kilometers in a direction 13 degrees east of north before coming to a halt. Then we can identify the problem is where the question wants us to determine the girl's distance from her starting position. So this is the method to solve this question.
The position of the curve can be shown as OA equal to negative 4i, AB equal to I modulus AB cos 16 degree plus J modulus AB sin 16 degree. Then AB equal to 3i multiplied with 1 over 2 plus 3j multiplied with square root 3 over 2, and then we get the answer of AB is 3 over 2i plus 3 square root of 3 over 2j. And now we move to the next step, which is using the triangle law of vector addition. We can write as OB equal to OA plus AB. We substitute the obtained values in the formula we get, which is OB equal to negative 4i plus 3 over 2i plus 3 square root of 3 over 2j. AB equal to bracket negative 4 plus 3 over 2i plus 3 square root of 3 over 2j. And we get OB equal to negative 5 over 2i plus 3 square root of 3 over 2j. Therefore, the girl's distance from her starting position is 5 over 2i plus 3 square root of 3 over 2j.
Today, I would like to talk about matrices application. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. The dimension of a matrix refers to the number of rows and the numbers of columns. For example, a 3 multiplied by 2 is matrix has 3 rows and 2 columns. Many real-world problems can often be solved using matrices. We can Let's go through for the problem statement. How much total money that for a 5 kg, 10 kg and 50 kg bags have been supplied at all the 3 bakeries every day? So, first of all, we just simply change the information from the table into matrix form. Next, what is total price supply for each bakery? The answer for secret recipe is 3,701 ringgit. while Baskin-Robbins is 5,208 ringgit and Harrods is 7,439 ringgit. Next, how to find the total gross sales of 3 bakeries? So, we just add in total price supply for each bakery at previous solution and get the total gross sales. The answer is 16,348 ringgit. Lastly, the total net income for 10 kg bags of flour supplies at 3 bakeries is 9,720 ringgit. It can be calculated using scalar multiplication matrix. In conclusion, we can obtain the total amount of money for all of the items in all 3 bakeries supplies through the process. The total gross profit from the sales of flour at the 3 bakeries is also provided.
Complex number consists of a real number and an imaginary number. The complex number will write in the form of a plus bi, where a is a real number and bi is an imaginary number. Note that I is equal to square root -1. Next, the background of the chosen methods. There can be 4 types of algebraic operation on complex numbers. They are addition, fraction, multiplication, and division. This operation of complex number is similar to the operation of the natural number. To find the modulus and argument of the complex number, we can use the formula that's shown below. In addition to that, the complex number can also write in a polar form, which is r cos theta plus I sin theta. Problem statement of this research is what are the values of a and b for w, and how to solve the complex numbers that raise 2 powers. Let's see the question 1 together. The question given z equals to 22 plus 4i and z per w equals to 6 minus 8i, a plus bi. We should substitute z equals to 22 plus 4i into z per w. To substitute, we can get w equals to 22 plus 4i per 6 minus 8i. Step 2. We can multiply the answer with the conjugate of 3 minus 4i. And the final answer is w equals to 1 plus 2i. To find the modulus and argument of w, we can just substitute the numbers into the formulas, and we can get the modulus is equals to square root 5 and the arguments is equals to 1.107. Next, let's see the question 2. Express 5 minus 2i in polar form and then evaluate 5 minus 2i power 4. First step, we should represent the 5 minus 2i in a polar form. Now to find the r and theta, we can apply the formula that's same with modulus and argument. So the polar form of 5 minus 2i is square root 29, which is negative 0.3805. Next, to evaluate 5 minus 2i power 4, we can use the De Moivre theorem, and final answer that we get is 41.0408 minus 139.9908i.